Looks like drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Miles confirmed as original. A little over 64,000 on it is all. Bright red exterior, graphite cloth interior. 3.4 liter underneath the hood with an automatic with overdrive. Be a nice economical, fun sports car for the summer. Take a look at the front fascia. Doesn't look like much of anything for rock chips or scratches. Maybe a few real small imperfections on there. Paint does show decent on this one for 1995. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see it from every angle, top to bottom, check out the underside, interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Riding on the stock Camaro wheels would be a Goodrich TA radials. Look up and down the side of this car. Doesn't appear to be much for nicks, dings, or scratches on the side. The passenger here. There's your graphite cloth interior, kind of a two-tone. Of course, the center console. Automatic shifter on the floor. AM/FM CD player back in 1995. Of course, nicely equipped with power windows, power locks, tilt cruise. If you want to check out the still pictures, that'll also be in the window sticker will be in the still pictures. Sorry about that. If you want to check out the window sticker, it'll be in the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, it's got the parade boot, if you will, or the cover for the convertible top. There's also carrying bag for that is in the trunk, and you'll see that in the still pictures also. A lot of other things that do come with this car as far as the original Camaro CD that will explain some of the options and features of this car, as well as the owner's manual, a build sheet, showroom brochure, all along with this. And again, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see those things. In with the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. And again, you can see this is pretty much free of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches over here also. I have not noticed really any rips, tears, holes in the seats. Be able to check those still pictures out. Over 100 pictures of this car online. Of course, here's your power windows, power locks, mirror. Left and right side, power seat on the driver's side. And as you can see, not a lot of wear here, right here as far as the bolster. So really overall, very nice condition interior as well. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Get your exact miles. Like I said, just a tad over 64,000. So there you go, 64,011. No warning indicators, anything like that. Just that seat belt light that you see there. Other than that, all the gauges are working. Radio does work. I mentioned earlier, AC blows cold. Take a look at the dash. Does appear this car was stored indoors. No cracked dash, any sort of sun bake, anything like that on there. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Again, 3.4 underneath the hood, and it is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Sounds as you'd expect. And I'm going to pop this hood. Let's get that open. We'll check out the engine bay, and I'll put the top up. We'll check out the condition of that and wrap this video up. And take a look at how clean this engine bay is. It doesn't appear that this car's been driven in any real inclement weather or anything. Pretty clean under here. Not much corrosion, anything like that. There it is, 3.4. Power steering, power brakes. AC, so it may have a newer alternator on. Smooth running, good sounding. Like I said, you can get into a convertible sports car without breaking the bank. Have a little fun. All right, I'm going to pause this one last time. Hood struts are in good shape too there. Sometimes you see those, they'll start to get weak and will not hold the hood up. So I'm going to pause this video one more time, shut that hood down, get this parade boot off the back there, get the top up, and check out the condition of the top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Again, power top, works as it should. Black cloth fabric in nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes. Going to do the job, keeping you out of the sun or that rain, depending on what the need may be. Glass rear window, rear defrost. And you can see the top's not even really faded, discolored, anything like that. Good shape. Looking for a drop top for summer? There you go. 1995 Chevrolet Camaro, what, a little over 64,000. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.